welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here. And in today's video, we're going to be trying out some new makeup products that I have gotten over the past couple of months. So we're going to be doing an all matte kind of vibe. So if you are an oily skin girly or a combination skin girly, this video for you. Even if you a dry skin girly, you may like some of these products too. If you know, you know. The spring months and summertime is rolling in hot, honey. So if you produce a little bit more oil on your skin than you would like and you need your makeup to last, this video is for you. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We got a clean bare face, so let's go ahead and get started. And just a little disclaimer, if you hear like a lot of background noise, hopefully you won't. I have a house full of kiddos. My nephew is here, my son, my niece, everybody in the building, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and start off with using some Bliss Tech. And if you know, you know, I love Bliss Tech. It really just helps to keep my lips moisturized, nourished, and I love that it has SPF 15 in it. And just be aware that this is the cheapest item that you're gonna see in today's video. And if I have to be completely honest and transparent, I have not been using primer these days, you guys, especially for my everyday makeup look, but we're gonna get to that, okay? But for today, I'm gonna be trying out this one size primer, and this is the Oil Sucker Extreme Mattifying Alkaline Base Primer, child. Okay, we're gonna be trying this out. And as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, this is a new product try video, and it's also going to be a mattifying foundation and makeup routine. So I think that this is perfect for summer because y'all know summer is literally right around the corner, girl, and we need our makeup to last. Don't be afraid to wear your makeup during the summertime. Not much, but you can do a little one too. We're just gonna put this in every area where I tend to get oily, which is pretty much my forehead and my cheek area. I can tell that this is literally mattifying my face before my eyes because I did do skin prep. Skincare is so important, you guys, so make sure before you go in with your makeup products and all of that stuff that you are making sure you prep your skin really well and have a nice and effective skincare regimen for your skin type. Although I do feel like this video is going to be catered toward the oily skin girls and the combination skinned girlies. This is drying with a little bit of white cast. It's giving Milk of Magnesia, okay? And if you know, you know. I personally never tried Milk of Magnesia when that was like a thing, and apparently people are still doing it, but I've seen it on people's faces, and this is what it looks like. Y'all see my face looking white? For my foundation, I'm going in with this one from NARS, and this is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I got the shade Macao, which is medium deep 4. We don't see what it's gonna play. If you watch my vlogs, you already know that this foundation, the original shade I got was Marquise's, and Marquise's was just a little bit too red and too dark. I'm more of a yellow golden undertone kind of girl, and that one wasn't giving, honey. And this actually has like a little squeeze applicator, so I'm just gonna take about that much on each side of my face. But I feel like when it comes to foundation, you can always add, but you can never take away. So don't be putting too much on your faces. A little at a time, girl. Take your time. Whoa, this is really a mattifying foundation. I am going to use a little bit more foundation because as you guys can see, that sprayed really nice, but I just need a tad bit more, and it has some really good coverage. Between the primer and the foundation, this is matte. This is going to be perfect for the summer months. And I also do like the way this foundation feels very lightweight on my face. It literally feels like I'm wearing nothing. Very lightweight. It's not sticky. It's breathable. All of that. Oily skin, combo skin girls, tap in. For sure, tap in. Moving on to concealer, so I'm going to use this one from One Size. This is the Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer, and this is the shade Medium Dark 1 with medium tan and golden undertone. I love the red packaging. I love the red and the pink from One Size. It is two of my favorite colors. And this is bright, so I'm only going to use a little bit of it. And normally I'm the kind of girly that mixes her concealers, but because I only purchased one shade in this one, this all we're using. Girl, this is bright. I'm gonna have a nice pretty bright under eye. I don't know how quick this dries, so we're gonna go ahead and immediately blend this out. Whoa, that's bright, real bright. I'm gonna be taking some of my Too Faced concealer, y'all. This is in the shade Chai, and I love how the One Size concealer dries down, but I just need it not to be so bright. Like, I feel like this is gonna be a nice concealer that you can literally wear without even setting with powder. Like, perfect for beach days and things like that. So we're just gonna use that Too Faced just to tone it down just a little bit. And I just went back in with just a little bit more of that concealer because I feel like we kind of lost it. Like, I definitely still want a bright under eye. Now that's more like it, girl. This is beautiful. For my setting powder, I'm going in with this one from One Size, and this one is in the shade Sweet Honey. This one is their ultimate setting powder. 24 hours shine control, all day wear, sweat proof, and no flashback. We're gonna see what it play. And I'm also putting that powder on my brows as well because I don't like when my brows get shiny throughout the day. This packaging is really cute too. Okay, Patrick, do your shit. Now we're going in with powder, and I'm using this one from Sephora. This is the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade Almond 58. Now, I have tried this before, so this is not necessarily new, but I was using the shade Ebony, which was a little bit too dark and too warm for my skin. I need to try that one as a bronzer, but this one, she the one for sure. This powder gives that mattifying, flawless, filter finish to any makeup look, which I love. And I'm just gonna set my entire face using this powder. The face is looking good. Now we're moving on to bronzer, and I'm using this one from NARS. This is the Laguna bronzing powder. This is the mini one, and this is in the shade Laguna 8. I tried 7. That was like way too orange for my skin tone. Hopefully this one is not too dark. And I think 6 would be the only other option, but to me that one looked a little bit too light. So we're gonna see, child. Packaging is cute. Y'all know I'm a sucker for some packaging, okay? Oh girl, you don't need much of this at all. This is gonna be really good for the summer months though. Cause she kind of dork. She a little dork, but it's definitely gonna help bring some color back to my face. I love to bring my bronzer on my jawline because it really just helps the makeup and foundation to better blend, so there will be no line of demarcation between the actual makeup and face, the neck, and the chest. This bronzer is actually going to be a lot better and more useful for me and my skin tone during the summer months because I do get a little bit darker. But for right now, I still kind of do have my winter shade, and it's still a little bit too dark. For my blush, I'm going to be using this one from Bobbi Brown, and this is in the shade Flame Matte. I actually got this from the cosmetic company store a minute ago, and it's my first time using it. I have got to stop doing that. Like, I feel like I buy so many products and then I don't try them until months later, and sometimes I don't like them, or if I may need a new shade. I really need to stop doing it. This is she, this is her. This is so beautiful, y'all. Orange blush eats on a black girl. I think this blush is on sale at the cosmetic company store for like $9, $10. And if you know, you know, Bobbi Brown ain't nowhere near $9 and $10, girl. So I'm just placing this right on top of that bronzer. And I feel like even if your bronzer is not perfect or you mess up with it, like, blush is so forgiving. And the blush just kind of helps everything blend together. I have been wanting to put blush on my nose lately, so that's exactly what we about to do. I love that. It's so pretty. This orange blush is beautiful. Like, I do not even need much of it at all. That is just so beautiful. Like, I love the way my face is looking. Like, everything is looking real good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose. I have been using this powder for forever for a nose contour, girl. Like, it ain't going nowhere. She here to stay. Perfect shade. And I also do like to take my nose contour up into my brow area just to kind of help that blend even more. Honey, this is a matte face. Love that for me. I'm going back in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this simple little line right here. This kind of just helps to clean everything up and not too sharp, okay? You don't want to do too much. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my mold because I pretty much always forget to do these steps these days, and I actually do love my natural mold and Beauty Mark. Moving on to brows, I'm taking this one from Benefit, and this is the Precisely My Brow Pencil Ultra Fine Brow Defining Pencil, and then I got the shade Warm Black Brown. Since my brows are micro shaded, I don't have to do much to them at all. I love the fact that this comes with the spoolie on one end and the pencil on the other end, because make my life easier, girl. And normally I just stick to my little $1.99 brow pencil from the beauty supply store, but I have been wanting something that I don't really have to sharpen. I want something a little bit more thinner where I can do like fine lines with, and I think that this one is going to be perfect for that. And for my next beauty video that's coming soon, I want you guys to comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see. I think I want to do something like trying new drugstore makeup or either underpainting. Let me know which makeup video between those two y'all want to see. And I gotta work on my mirror placement because I feel like I'm looking down so much. But I guess when I go back to edit, I'll kind of see how it looks. And hopefully the lighting and everything is really nice when I go back to edit. Yeah, this pencil is perfect for somebody that already has brows that just want to fill in certain areas, maybe make your tail a little longer, things like that. So not very practical for the girls that don't have brows, but for the girls that do got a little brow going on, girl, this is the one. Okay, this is a really pretty shade too. Those brows eat. I went ahead and popped my lashes on, and now for my mascara to apply to my top and bottom lashes, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Better Than Sex. I love this one, y'all. It's real, she real good, okay? Real good and perfect for blending my false lashes with my natural lashes. I kind of went crazy with the bottom mascara, but I love it. Love that. I forgot to show y'all that I have a little cute mini travel size of the One Size Ultra Pink powder. I think we may go in with a little bit of this. This pink powder is really nice and super brightening. And to set everything, I'm going in with this One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. And this is a travel size. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not, but we're gonna try it out, girl. Girl, this pink and red is really doing it for me. Really nice. There are no splotches or anything on my face, girl. Real nice. My face is still giving matte. This right here, all right now, L'Oreal. The one from L'Oreal is also really nice, y'all, but we're gonna get into that one depending on which video y'all pick next. For my lip liner, I'm going in with this one from Makeup Forever, and this one is in the shade Limitless Brown, and this is the Artist Color Pencil. She's a nice warm brown. I wish she was just a little bit deeper, but we're gonna see what it do. It's really pretty though, very creamy. And I did overline my lips just a little bit, so yeah. And then for lipstick, I got MAC Honey Love, and for some reason, I'm not sure if I've already had this in my collection before and lost it or what, but when I went to go look for it, it was nowhere to be found. And y'all know MAC has actually came out with some new lipsticks, but I'm not buying nothing else, girl, until I use what I have. This is so pretty. It's like the perfect pinky nude. And I just don't care about what nobody says when it comes to MAC. MAC will always forever be there, girl. Okay? Being, still will be, always being. She ain't going nowhere. Here forever. And I am a MAC girl, especially when it comes to certain products. Why am I putting it back in the box? Like I didn't just use it. Listen. That is really pretty. So I really didn't need a darker liner, but that's really, really nice. And since this is a matte face, y'all know I am a gloss girl to the death of me. When I die, make sure I got on gloss, boo. Okay? Listen. But it's an all matte look. So no gloss today. I'm a little sad about that. But we're gonna stick to the script. Girl, this makeup look is eating y'all up. Eating the girls up. You hear me? Y'all better get y'all some of these products. Y'all can eat the girls up too. Lately, these have been my favorite, and they are going to be linked down. Everything actually is going to be linked down below. And these are in the number 10 TEN and the number 13. And I got these from AliExpress. That's where I normally get my lashes. I love that they come in bulk, especially when I do freelance. Like, I don't want to be having to buy individual sets of lashes. It takes up a lot of space. I want all the lashes on this little one right here. I love these. Throw the 25 mm's out. Throw the 30 mm, the 40s, however high of a number they go up. Toss them out and get y'all some nice little 15s, 14s, 16s. You don't gotta do too much. And I love how they look on my eyes. Super beautiful, because I already don't have a super big eye anyway or eyelid space. So this just looks really, really nice. Trying to make sure we did everything. I think we did. Girl, this is a cute look. Lord, please let the light and everything be right when I go back to edit this video. I hope it's coming off how it's coming off in real life, because it's giving. Like, it does not feel like listen, it does not feel like I'm wearing makeup. NARS, y'all did y'all big one. 8. Okay? Y'all ate that one.